Our story begins on a small, unassuming blue dot in the vast cosmic ocean, a planet we call Earth. It's a tiny speck suspended in a sunbeam, home to everyone you've ever known, every story that's ever been told. But as we zoom out, leaving our planet's embrace, we embark on a journey that will take us far beyond the boundaries of human experience. A journey to explore the vastness of the universe and our place within it. Our first stop is the Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, sitting about 384,400 kilometers away. To put this in perspective, if you were to drive a car nonstop at 100 kilometers per hour, it would take you over 160 days to reach it. Yet for all its proximity, the Moon serves as a stark reminder of our isolation in the cosmos. From its barren surface, Earth appears as a delicate, vibrant sphere, small, fragile, and alone in the dark void of space. But why does this matter? The Moon, once a distant dream, became a symbol of human ingenuity when we first set foot on it in 1969. Since then, it has remained a silent witness to our aspirations, reminding us of the giant leaps we can make when we dare to look up. As we continue our journey outward, the next major landmark is the Sun, our life-giving star. Located about 150 million kilometers from Earth, this distance is so vast that it takes light, traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. If you were to hop on a commercial jet traveling at 900 kilometers per hour, it would take you nearly 19 years to cover that distance. Yet this massive expanse is just the beginning. The Sun, a fiery giant, dominates our solar system, but even its immense power wanes as we move further away. Its light and warmth, the very essence of life on Earth, remind us of how interconnected we are with the cosmos, dependent on a star that lies millions of kilometers away. But the Sun is also a reminder of the limits of our reach. Despite its vital role, it's just one of billions of stars scattered across the Milky Way, each with its own story to tell. Beyond the Sun lies Mars, our enigmatic red neighbor. At its closest approach, Mars is about 54.6 million kilometers away. But this distance can stretch to over 400 million kilometers when our planets are on opposite sides of the Sun. Imagine trying to make that journey. At the speed of a commercial jet, it would take upwards of 50 years. Mars has long captured our imagination, from ancient myths to modern science. Today, it's a focal point of our aspirations for interplanetary travel. But the sheer vastness of space between Earth and Mars poses enormous challenges, from the difficulties of long-term space travel to the complexities of communication across such distances. And yet, despite these challenges, we've sent rovers and probes to Mars, slowly unraveling its mysteries. Each discovery on Mars, whether it's a dry riverbed or a trace of ancient water, brings us closer to understanding not just the red planet, but also the potential for life beyond Earth. As we journey even further out, we encounter Neptune, the distant ice giant, lying roughly 4.5 billion kilometers from Earth. At this distance, sunlight takes about 4 hours and 15 minutes to reach Neptune, a stark reminder of how far we've come. Neptune marks the outer edge of our solar neighborhood, a realm of cold, dark, and mysterious worlds. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy bodies, including Pluto. But even this is not the end of our solar system. Farther still lies the Oort cloud, a vast sphere of icy objects that extends up to 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun, about 1.9 light years. This is the edge of the Sun's influence, where our solar system gives way to the vast, uncharted territory of interstellar space. And here at the very edge, we find Voyager 1, the farthest human-made object from Earth. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 has traveled over 22 billion kilometers, sending back data from the outermost reaches of our solar system. In 1990, it turned its camera back towards Earth for one last photograph, capturing the now iconic image known as the pale blue dot. In that photograph, Earth appears as a tiny, faint dot, barely visible against the vastness of space. Carl Sagan, the astronomer who suggested the photograph, reflected on its significance, reminding us of our responsibility to cherish and protect our only home, a small, fragile world in an immense universe. Voyager 1 continues its journey, now traveling through the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. It's a testament to human curiosity and our desire to explore beyond the known, even as we grapple with the enormity of what lies ahead. Leaving our solar system behind, we set our sights on Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our Sun. Located about 4.4 light-years away, this distance is equivalent to over 41 trillion kilometers. Even with our most advanced spacecraft, it would take tens of thousands of years to reach Alpha Centauri, a humbling reminder of the challenges of interstellar travel. But Alpha Centauri is not just a distant star system, it's a beacon of possibility. The discovery of exoplanets around these stars has ignited hopes of finding another Earth, a world where life could exist. As we look to the stars, we're not just searching for distant planets, we're searching for answers to the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Expanding our view, we enter the grand scale of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Spanning about 100,000 light-years in diameter, the Milky Way is a vast spiral galaxy, home to hundreds of billions of stars. Within this immense structure lies a tiny sphere, the human radio bubble, extending about 100 light-years from Earth. This is the farthest reach of our influence, the limit of where our radio and television broadcasts have traveled. Beyond this bubble, it's as if humanity never existed. Any civilizations in the vast majority of our galaxy are oblivious to our presence, unaware of the stories we tell, the music we create, or the dreams we hold. The Milky Way, for all its grandeur, is just one galaxy among many. Our story is but a whisper in the cosmic wind. Leaving the Milky Way, we enter intergalactic space, a vast, almost incomprehensible realm where galaxies float like islands in the cosmic ocean. Our galaxy is part of a small neighborhood known as the Local Group, a cluster of more than 50 galaxies spread across 10 million light-years. The distances here are so vast that light from one end of the Local Group to the other would take 10 million years to traverse. But our journey doesn't end here. Beyond the Local Group lies the Virgo supercluster, a massive collection of galaxy groups and clusters, including our own. Encompassing a region of space about 110 million light-years in diameter, the Virgo supercluster is a titanic structure containing thousands of galaxies, each with their own myriad stars and planets. And even this supercluster is just a small part of an even larger structure, the Laniakea supercluster. This immense web of galaxies extends over 500 million light-years and contains the mass of 100 million billion suns. Here we encounter the Great Attractor, a mysterious region of space that exerts a massive gravitational pull on the galaxies within this supercluster. As we reach the boundaries of our cosmic exploration, we encounter the limits of the observable universe, stretching about 93 billion light-years in diameter. But here we face a profound mystery. If the universe is only 13.8 billion years old, how can it be so vast? The answer lies in cosmic expansion. Since the Big Bang, the universe has been stretching space itself, increasing the distances between celestial bodies. But what lies beyond the observable universe? This remains one of the greatest mysteries of cosmology. Some regions of space are expanding away from us faster than the speed of light, placing them forever out of our reach. We will never see these regions, never know what they contain. This boundary marks the limits of our knowledge, a horizon beyond which we can only speculate. As we stand on the edge of the observable universe, looking back at the countless galaxies, stars, and planets we've passed, one thing becomes clear. Our place in the cosmos is incredibly small, yet profoundly significant. We are part of something much larger, a vast and intricate web of cosmic connections that stretches beyond our comprehension. The universe, with all its mysteries and wonders, invites us to explore, to question, and to dream. And while we may never reach the farthest stars or unravel every cosmic secret, our journey, both as individuals and as a species, continues. Each discovery, each small step into the unknown, brings us closer to understanding not just the universe around us, but the universe within us. As we turn our gaze back to that pale blue dot, let us remember, this is our home, our small corner of the universe, where all of human history has unfolded. It is a reminder of our responsibility to protect and cherish our planet, and of the boundless possibilities that await us when we dare to look beyond. The cosmos is vast, and our journey is only just beginning. So as we venture into the night and gaze up at the stars, let us remember the words of Carl Sagan. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. The universe is full of mysteries, and each one is an invitation to explore, to learn, and to be inspired. Thank you for joining this journey to the edge of the universe. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. There's so much more to discover, and together we'll continue to explore the wonders of the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.